Pixels.cool.
Welcome to the world of e-learning creation. We're going to use the Storyline software to create an interactive e-learning package that incorporates video, audio and 3D interaction with a quiz at the end. For more information about Storyline and to view the finished product, please see the website. We've already opened Storyline. This welcome screen will change over time, but you should see an option to create a new project at the top left. Start by clicking on New Project. Storyline creates a new untitled project with one untitled scene and one untitled slide. Think of this as being kind of similar to creating a new PowerPoint presentation from scratch. In Storyline, a scene is made up of a number of slides. One of the first things you need to set up for your overall project will be the shape and resolution of your slides. Click on the Design menu and click on Slide Size. There are a couple of presets here. One is more old school, kind of squarish 4x3 slides, and one is for the more common 16:9 or widescreen shape. These resolutions are actually both very low for modern screens, so I'm going to click on Custom and manually enter a resolution of width 1280 and height 720. This resolution is often referred to as HD and will work well for most modern projects. Click on OK. Next, let's look at the player options for our new project. Click on the Home menu and click Player. The player is how the screen will look for your students or clients when they open your finished e-learning project. Start by looking at the player style options here. When I switch to the classic look, the preview updates. Out of the two, the modern player looks more contemporary, hence the name. We'll stick with it for now. Click on Colours and Effects to try out different colour schemes. You can change all these options at any time, so if you decide halfway through your project that green is going to look way better, it's no problem. Click OK when you're happy. Let's save our project file so the updated settings are saved. Go to the File menu and click Save or Save As. Navigate to the folder on your computer where you'd like to store the project file and enter a descriptive name. I'll start by adding v1 to the end of the file name so I know I'm working with version 1 and click on Save. In the next explainer, we'll start adding content to our first slide.
Pixels.cool.